So we always want to keep the good energies. It's just the thing we don't want, then we will let them go, right? So we just group them as negative, right? And someone also said release childhood trauma, abuse, self-worth.
I would like to release feelings of not being good enough.
We feel what other people are feeling. To release that.
I have a tendency to catastrophize, thinking the worst, and my heart's racing always. Like
as some of you pointed out already, is about releasing the energy of the history, right? So you could still be angry about releasing the energy of the history, right? So you could still be angry with what the history, but they are really history already, so they're gone. You're angry with something that's finished, but you are now. You are here now. You can, when you're angry, you can put your hand on the part of the body you feel something. You know, feeling is just sitting somewhere, right? Acknowledge them. Where? How? Now, head relax. Neck relax. Shoulder relax. Chest relax. Abdomen relax. Back relax. Arms relax. Hands relax. Whole body relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. So we like to acknowledge yourself, right? How do you feel? It's real. So acknowledge it means you're not angry with yourself. I know I don't feel good. Yes, embrace ourselves. So embrace is just words, right? So we are using the Qigong, the energy, the light. So you can actually think about sending a light to yourself in this very nice environment. So let's do it properly together. The sky over you, the star, the sun, all the moon, all the energy of the galaxy over you. That's how you think. They are just light. All energy is light. So Qi is in the light. They're all one, really. You can call them lights. You can call them Qi, or just a beautiful universal energy. So you think about the energy come to you, and then now we want to think, how do I love my feelings? How do I appreciate my feelings? How can I shine a light, a love to my feelings? It can be anywhere in your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So you keep sending a light, a love to wherever you're not feeling good. So it's like you're loving everything, which is you, how you feel, how you not feeling good, or whatever you sense, they're all you. So give it chi to harmonize the energy, and at the thought of letting it go, any difficult energy can leave. So use your mind to command it to leave out of you. You can just leave anywhere. You can actually think about, let it fly out. You are the master of your own energy. Breathe in. You know how we dump things and throw them out, right? We throw garbage away. So, hi, everyone. If you like what I do, this is Master Teresa. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me. And I wish you have a great day, a great life with Qigong. Bye.